Okay, today I'm going to be using the fondant to show you how to make a few simple sea creatures. I'll be making the crab, I'll be making a starfish, a turtle, and a Nemo.
Okay, sounds good. Shall we get started then?
Yeah, okay, so I'm going to start off with the crab first. We're going to be using red. Okay. So I'm just going to give the fondant a little knead because sometimes when it's been kept inside, it will dry up a little bit. So I'm just kneading it to smoothen it out like this. I'm going to roll it into a round shape first, like ball, and I'm going to roll it into an oval. Okay. Alright, so this one here will be the head of the crab. So I'm just going to lay it aside. Now the crab will need to have 2 claws and 4 legs. So each of the claw is going to be about the same size. And I'm going to first make the claw. Again, I'm going to roll it into a ball, 2 balls here. Okay. And I'm going to use my bowl scraper and I'm just going to cut like this. You see? Okay. So this will be one claw. So I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger, just give it a press. Press it down. This will be one side of the crab's claw. See? Next, I'm going to do the same for the other side. Roll it into a ball. Use my bowl scraper to cut it in the center. Again, use my thumb and my index finger. Just pinch it out a little bit. Flatten it. So that makes the 2 claws.
So if you don't have a bowl scraper, is there any alternative tool?
You can use a butter knife if you have at home. If not, you can just pinch it apart. Okay. For the claws, so we're just missing the legs. So it's much smaller this time around. Okay, I'm going to roll out 4 of these. Okay, there we have it. We have a little crab here. So to make my crab a little cuter, I'm going to give it some features. I'm going to use the black color fondant now. I'm going to give it 2 big eyes. I'm just going to roll it into a ball. I'm going to place it here. It's got 1 eye here. And another eye here. I'm going to give him a smile. Again, I'm going to use my black fondant to give it a small little nip. Roll it into a ball. And gently curve it a little bit. So this will make a smile for my first crab. So, some really small cuts over here. So there we go. So that's the crab complete. The next one that I'm going to be making is I'm going to be making the fish. The fish is going to be, the clownfish is going to be orange color, but because you can see that I do not have any orange color on my table, so I'm going to do a little bit of color mixing. So I'm going to mix red and yellow. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of red. Yeah, and I'm going to mix it with about equal portion, slightly more yellow. Okay, I'm just going to knead them up together. Yeah, to mix the color. For the children, they can be as creative as you like, and you can choose the color. You need not do orange, you can do other colors that you like. Okay, so I'm going to use this color that I've just made, orange. Okay, I'm going to make my fish. Now I'm going to take out a little bit because that's going to be for the fins. So 1 and 2. Okay, now how are we going to make a fish? So I'm going to roll it into a ball and then use my hand and just roll it into that little like carrot now. Yeah, you like carrot? Yeah. So this part here will be the tail. So I'm going to press it down a little bit, flatten it. I'm going to use my bowl scraper. Again, if you don't have a bowl scraper, it doesn't matter. I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3 cuts over here. So that will be the tail of the fish. Okay. If you don't have a bowl scraper, just feel free to use a knife. Okay. And then we're going to do the fins. Roll it into a ball, and just gently press it down. Will do. Flatten it a little bit. And put it at the side of the ball. That's one there. Roll it into a ball. Flatten it a little bit. Now paste it onto the fish. Put it into a ball first, and gently just flatten it a little bit, and we paste it on one side of the fins. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Roll it into a ball, flatten it, and then paste. Okay, the fish still can't see yet, so we're going to just use black color fondant for the eye again. To make sure it's balanced. So 1 eye for the side, and then 1 eye for the other side. Alright, this will be here. Okay, we're going to give it a smile too, like the crab. So I'm going to be using the black color fondant as well. And then just gently give it a Alright, so there you have it. You have a little fish. If you want to add a little bit more feature, you can use your knife or your bowl scraper and just gently put some lines on the fins. You can do the same for the other side. Gently press it down. So it's really up to the creativity of the children, and also adults can also join in to have some fun together with the kids. I'm going to move on to my turtles, and I'm going to be using green for my turtle. I'm going to use this dark colored green for the shell, and I'm going to pinch out a little bit here, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of white color to do a lighter shade of green for the body, the legs, and the head. You can choose other colors too. You need not follow green. You can choose other colors that you like. Okay. So this is the color that I've just mixed, and this is the original pink color. Okay. So I'm going to start off with the shell first, so then we will know how big a head and a legs we will need for. So again, we're going to just knead it gently in our hand to just smoothen it out, okay? And roll it into a ball. And we want to have it a little bit oval shape. And gently flatten it a little bit so that you'll be oval shape. Alright, now for the head, I'm going to use the lighter color, small ball, okay? Try and roll it out slightly on the tip of the head. Okay, so this will be how it looks like a little teardrop. So I'm going to put it in front here, so this will be the head of my turtle. Now if you find it's a little bit sticky, you can use corn flour to just mix it together a little bit so that it will not be so sticky. Now for the 4 legs, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do the 4 legs here, all about the same size, same as what we do just now. Roll it into a ball and then make it into a little teardrop like this. Okay, so this will be for 1 leg. Okay, now for the features, we're going to use a bit of fondant. There we go, a little turtle. Yeah. So if you want to, an alternative way to do this is again use your bowl scraper. You can just gently draw lines on the shells. Like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make a starfish. I'm going to use yellow color for the starfish. Okay, again we always start with the ball first. Okay, gently just flatten it out a little bit. Now we know that the starfish has 5 sides, so we're going to just pinch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you're making this, it's also a good opportunity to teach the children about shapes if they are learning. If they are still very young, just allow them to explore the different kind of colors. So we have a starfish here, okay, but it's not complete yet. You know, we've got this small little suckers on the starfish. Okay, and my starfish is complete. Alright, thank you so much. Be as creative as you can and keep playing.